Unit 1, Lesson 4, 3rd grade math. This is for September 4th, and it is the Wednesday lesson. Remember, this week we don't have a quiz, so you have a full course sequence Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today you are going after determining area using multiplication, so shifting away from the repeated addition or the count all feature of arrays and moving into the knowledge of length times width equals area, which builds on from yesterday's lesson where they connected addition and the knowledge of groups among each group in total to length and width. We have 3 standards today, MD 6, 5, and 7. This one recognizing area, this one is measuring area by counting all, and this one is relating area to multiplication. So this is really where we're focusing today, but still using units squared, knowing that we don't have gaps or overlaps, and if need be, counting all. Scholars work with rectangles with incomplete tiled areas where they must use side lengths and tiling to find the area. I can use side lengths to find area. This builds on from yesterday. I know if length, my groups or my rows, times width, my amount in each group, or the amount in each row equals my area or my total, which I can interchange with all of those. This is that big build off from the day before where they were using skip counting 3, 6, 9, 12 or counting all and then connecting it here. I can fill in the missing tiles in a shape and then count all. So this is if we need to resort to that count all feature of MD.6, and this is using the multiplication from MD.7, both of which must be supported by MD.5, which is the understanding of a unit squared or square unit. Lines neatly drawn, labeled sides, length times width equals area, label with square units, thinking explained. This is for your friends, they can use multiplication. If need be, you can throw back to addition. Visual anchor for the day, there's too much writing on it. I'd say that this is strong up here. I don't know why, you don't need to have the word problem up here. This visual model, and then connecting it to these 2 visual models. And so these are your key points down below. They're quite strong. Extend the lines and count the squares. Find the length and the width to multiply. This is actually pretty good. If you wanted to do this as a think about it, and a bubble up here with this in it, that would make sense. It says when tiles are missing or covered, we can find area by using what we already know about area, which is weird, which literally just means like finish the lines. Okay, again, like I always say, please read, please annotate. People that wrote this really thought it through, so it take the time, especially because we just reduced our IPP time for the week to support you all. Okay, Xavier drew a sketch of his bedroom to take to the store to buy a new dresser. He tossed it in his backpack. Sorry, Laura is cooking chili in the background. When he got to the store, it was crumpled and wet from his water bottle leaking. It looked like this. Can you help Xavier find the area of his bedroom and recreate his sketch and maybe give him a better water bottle? Big problem. Recreate drawing and find area. Task 1, finish drawing. Task 2, find area. I'm keeping those both as big problems because it says and here. Normally I would keep them separate. Let's do your annotations. Our represent today is actually going to be over here. So we want kids to first begin to extend the lines, and so that's something that we're going to do throughout the whole day. This takes precision, so kids being able to say, I can finish the lines like this, and that's actually step 1. I'm going to put a check mark there. Step 2, find the area. There's 2 ways that scholars can do this. They can count all, or they can use their knowledge of rows and the amount in each group. So there's 1, oops. I'm not going to do the big bubbles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So I could write 4 rows, or length, is that length? Yep, I would just want to make sure that I got, yep, it's length. Length equals 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 in each row, or width equals 6. And then I know from that I can do length times width equals area. 4 times 6 equals area. And now I'm going to move into the solve. I can solve by doing 4 times 6 equals area, which equals 24 square. Doesn't provide a unit, so I'm going to go with feet because it's a bedroom. Or I can count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Or I can go 6, 12, 18, 24. There's 3 different ways that kids could solve this. We want to push them towards this guy. It is more economical, but regardless. So remember, the first thing that you're asking kids to do on all of this, lines neatly drawn. Lines neatly drawn. Then you're looking for labeled sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length times width equals area. 4 times 6 equals area. And then again, same thing, 24. Want to be really clear again, this is not how I would teach kids. I would let them try first. They might fill those in. I would hope that they would use what they know from the day before, but please use the lesson plan.